Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Felicia Travels. It's the channel where I am giving you my best travel tips, show you the best travel destinations and give you my travel story, all based on my own experience and perspective. And I was just thinking, I'm super grateful that you guys have been following me around. It's already 7 months and I'm super grateful that you guys are all following me on this journey. And I thought I actually never shared why I started traveling and what I love about traveling, so I thought I should make a video of this. And yeah, to start with, why I started traveling was I don't know, I was very curious. The backpacker thing is actually nothing for me, and yeah, I thought, yeah, I don't want to wear the same clothes over and over, and backpacking with a backpack was just a little bit too much for me, but I love the adventurous part, so that's why I decided to make it my own style and do backpacking with 2 suitcases. Yeah, I need all of it. And I really love this idea to just live on the road and see where you are heading to. It just gives a very free feeling, and I love traveling because I love exploring around. I love exploring new countries, new cities, new places, new mountains, new everything. I basically love the unknown. That always makes me very curious. I love the unknown because you don't know what to expect, and I've always been someone that always want to have planning. I don't know, it just came to a certain point that I was like, no, I don't want that anymore, and I just want to explore the unknown and don't know what is ahead of me. And I'm super grateful for these 7 months that have brought me, because I have been able to travel through South America to Dubai and also see a lot of countries in Southeast Asia. We are now at the Elise house and we are having chapa.
Mucha potato.
This tour Machu Picchu. After 3 days hiking, we finally got here to see this beautiful natural wonder. Hi girl.
Hello. Hi.
I just met these lovely girls.
Ampar pisang. You? Yes.
And I've learned so much, I've seen so much, I've met amazing souls, and I'm super grateful that I got to collaborate with a lot of companies, and that was totally unexpected. I even landed my first partnership with 50 subscribers on YouTube, and that couldn't being possible without you guys, so I'm super grateful for you guys' support, and yeah, that you have been following me through this journey. And this journey is just the start, and I'm going to make more trips and make more travel guides, make more travel videos and provide you with the best travel tips and telling you more of my travel stories. And in 2020 I want to get more engaged with you guys, because if it wasn't for you guys I wouldn't have been able to do this. Yes, I'm just very excited for what is ahead of me. Thank you so much for following me through, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.